I'm Justin Moore, and welcome to Creator Wizard, your step-by-step guide to the business of being a creator. I've been a creator for close to 10 years, and along with my wife, we have over 1.5 million followers across all of our family's social platforms. I also run an agency that helps bring brand deals to family-friendly creators. I've personally worked on over 500 brand deals over the years, and through my agency, I have paid out over $2 million to creators. As your reach and influence grow, you'll likely be faced with lots of decisions like brands contacting you about partnerships, contracts, merchandise, fan funding. Maybe you want to make digital products like an ebook or a course. When do you need a manager and is it necessary? This channel is dedicated to helping you navigate all of those paths and build a more sustainable, diversified career as a creator. So please hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you'll know every time I upload a new video. Are you ready to become a creator wizard?